Hey Drew, just looking at your animated web ads. They look good. I was just looking at the design. I think you've got the color down really well. I like that you put the screen of kind of green over the top. I think that looks good. I think we just need to pay attention to the edges of the ad and just how much space you have in your ads. Just sizing everything down just a little bit, just sizing it all down so that it fits better. Like even the logo could go down a little bit because this is awfully close. This is close to the edge. Even your Listen Now font is like pretty close to the edges of the button. So even sizing that Listen Now down inside of the button would be good. Just a couple points so that there's more space. And the stroke on the button isn't super necessary. I think it would actually look probably better without a stroke on it. And just take this away from the edge. Just bump it down a little bit and maybe even down in size too. And then, what else was I going to say? I'm not trying to be critical. I'm just trying to give you feedback to make it so that you can make it better, I guess. And maybe even this Listen Now button, you could move it over so that it's sort of on top of the Spotify text, but just like centered in this space so that it's just kind of centered a little bit better within the space in between the logo and the edge, I guess. And this could be shrunk down just a little bit. So just some feedback there. Also, the Listen Now button could be completely, I think it's see-through a little bit right here. And it doesn't need to be. You should probably just make it 100% opacity. But other than that, I think everything looks good. And yeah. Just wanted to give you a little design feedback on that. I don't think the design's bad. I just think it just needs little tweaks as far as spacing goes to make it a little bit more of a clean and tight looking design.